So you're playing backyard cricket with your mates. It's 25 degrees, clear skies, perfect summer's day. It's your turn to bowl. You're up and you bowl this wicked spin ball right through the kitchen window. So what do? A, freak out and call your mum and dad. B, panic and go and hide under your bed. Or C, keep your cool and call a glazier to come over and save the day. Well, the correct answer is C, and today I'm going to find out just what it is that they do. A glazier is a tradesperson who works with glass. Anything from cutting, fitting, measuring, marking, treating and decorating glass to removing and installing glass in windows, ceilings, display cases, skylights, interior walls and mirrors. Basically, they are the people to call for all your glass needs. Hey, you must be Jeff.
Hi, Rebecca. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Now, I just want to find out what it's like to be a glazier. Can you help me out?
Yeah, certainly. We're just about to go to another job. If you'd like to jump in, I can show you around.
Okay, Jeff, so we know that glaziers work with glass, but what kinds of things do they actually do?
Sure, so there's commercial, industrial and residential glazing. I'm a residential glazing apprentice. And at our company we do custom made shower screens, splashbacks, wardrobe doors, glass cut to size as well as mirrors.
What do you get up to in a typical day?
Typical day, if we're installing, we'd leave at 7 o'clock, try fit in 4 to 5 jobs a day, and we'd come back and unpack the utes. If I'm in the factory, we'll usually make shower screens or splashbacks, cut glass to size as well as tidy up and then set the utes up for the next day.
What would you say the most challenging part of your job is?
Clients, their requirements sometimes aren't just black and white. It requires a lot of problem solving and conferring with the customer as to what they want, but usually they're happy with the end product.
And what's the most rewarding part?
Those tough jobs which do finally go in and it comes up like this, definitely rewarding.
Yeah, seeing the end result, I'd imagine.
Definitely.
What advice would you give to somebody if they were looking to be a glazier?
Take every opportunity with both hands. You've got to go out and look for a willing employer or go through TAFE for the apprenticeship program. You'll never look back. Opportunities are endless.
Okay, Jeff, now it's time to give us the edge. Are you ready?
Sure am.
Okay, so if you could list from school to now, what steps does somebody need to take to become a glazier?
As many hands-on subjects that you can do at school definitely help, as well as maths for problem-solving skills. Then you can go through TAFE for the apprenticeship program or find an employer yourself. The apprenticeship runs for 3 years, and after that you're a qualified glazier with endless opportunities.
Awesome, and what characteristics, because it's quite hands-on work, do you think best suits somebody in this job?
Good hand-eye coordination. Attention to detail is a must, especially with the tricky jobs. Good work ethic as well as interpersonal skills for clients and their requirements.
And if you could do one thing differently but still end up where you are today, what would it be?
I'd certainly look at glazing as a viable career option a lot earlier. I would have taken it on straight from school and realise glazing and the opportunities that it does provide.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having a chat with me today, Jeff. It's been great seeing what you do and obviously seeing the end result as well. So thank you so much.
No dramas at all.
Authorised by the Government of Western Australia, Perth.